Hi! In front of me is Nokia X20, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Firstly, you need to access Play Store, then tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. After that, you need to download this free app from this developer and select Open. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups and select while using the app and allow in order for it to work properly. Then click Home button and go into Settings. After that, select Apps and scroll down. Then click on Default Apps, choose Home app over here and tap on iOS Launcher. Now select Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Nokia. But you can always switch between them if you want to by going into Device Settings, choosing Apps again, then Default Apps, Home app, and switching between Quick Step or iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!